Once upon a cosmic age, humanity was united, speaking one universal language and thriving across the galaxies. They were a species of ambition, dreaming of harnessing the very fabric of space-time itself. The pinnacle of their audacity, the construction of the Celestial Ascension Station, a sprawling orbital megastructure designed to pierce the boundaries of the physical galaxy and reach the divine realm. The space fall of Galactic Babel, they called it, a mission to stand as equal before the Creator. Their belief was clear: if they could build high enough, far enough, they might seize control of the stars and claim their place as masters of all creation. In those days, Seraphine, the warrior space angel, observed quietly from the unseen dimensions. Her radiant wings shimmered with energies unknown, her golden armor reflecting the starlight of countless systems. She was sent to witness, but her heart ached for what was to come. On the edge of humanity's grandest empire, the colossal megastructure grew. The Celestial Ascension Station shimmered with hyperluminal alloys, nature-defying metals harvested from distant nebulae. It was an achievement beyond comprehension, even for the civilizations that thrived under the skies of otherworldly suns. Its glittering towers spiraled into the void, a cosmic insult to the divine humility humanity once held. But greed, pride, and overconfidence rotted their unity from the inside. Alien traders, hired workers, and exiled species mingled in the great construct, creating factions within humanity's alliance. They debated, they schemed, and slowly, distrust brewed among them. However, no one dared stop the mission. They risked everything on their defiance, but in moments of silence, even among the stars, they could feel watchful eyes far beyond their understanding. Seraphine lifted her sword of radiant plasma, sighing deeply. The infinite has given them so much room to decide their path. Now, the time of mercy must be balanced with justice. By the Creator's will, the cosmos itself shifted. Outwardly imperceptible, an invisible quantum wave passed through the stars, like a ripple on a celestial pond. It hijacked language. In the halls of the colossal station, humans began to shout in confusion. What was once a shared lexicon of stars now fractured into countless tongues spoken by few and understood by none. The structure fell into chaos. In their desperation, humanity's factions turned weapons meant for construction on one another. Misunderstanding bred paranoia, and paranoia sparked confrontations. While the station itself stood partially completed, fear and division tore the once grand empire into regional quarrels. Firing thrusters in a chaotic retreat, the station began to collapse piece by piece, scattering debris like celestial rain over the systems. Humanity, once unified, was now a scattered people across countless stars. And so, the Celestial Ascension Station stood as a tragic ruin, floating in the vastness of space, a caution to any species aspiring to rise above humility. From the infinite dimensions, Seraphine wept. Yet, a faint hope lingered in her luminous eyes. The Creator would yet redeem them one day,